Today on Jubara.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter.
So just really quick, we're just about done with the makeup, and if y'all want like a more in-depth tutorial, or if y'all want me to slow it down or whatever, I'm actually getting a vanity really soon, so it'll be a lot easier for me. The lighting in the bathroom is just not it, you know, so if when I get that, I'll try to do another video where I kind of sit down and do my makeup with y'all a little slower. But anyway, I wanted to talk to y'all about this today. This perfume is where it's at, guys. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of the company Dossier, but if you haven't, you should definitely go check them out. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. But they sent me the Ambery Vanilla perfume and the Floral Peony. I'm putting on the Ambery Vanilla today. I absolutely love it. When the company reached out to me, and thank you so much for partnering with me, I told them I wasn't good at choosing smells like that, but I told them I like vanilla and I like peony, so they sent me these. I absolutely love them, but they will send you your money back if you don't love the smell. If you don't like how it feels on your skin, or if you're just not in love with it, you're always able to return the bottle, and they have great customer service. So anyway, I have them here on my Easy Susan in the bathroom because I like the packaging. I think it's beautiful, it's simple, and y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging, so I love having this here. So as soon as I'm done getting ready, I just spray it and I'm done. I'm good, and it lasts all day. I smell it on me all day, and even my husband was like, wow, like you smell really good, when he came home the first day that I used this. So he really likes it too. It's not like too perfumey, but it's just perfect. It's perfect because I'm usually a body spray type girl, but this is really good perfume. They get their inspiration from really high-end perfumes. So the Floral Peony that I'm using, it's inspired by Chloe, and the Ambery Vanilla is actually inspired by YSL. So the Black Opium perfume. So if y'all want to check them out, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. I would definitely recommend it, and you'll also get a discount if you choose to buy anything today. So thank you so much, Dossier, for partnering with me. This is the part of the video where I'm just going to throw my vitamins together. I have been taking vitamins every day here lately because my energy has been gone. I feel depleted. I'm already like, I have an iron deficiency, so I really should be taking my vitamins every day, and I just don't. But here lately I have been, so hopefully that's going to help me get my energy back. And I just take those with some orange juice. And then we're going to head over and make the bed really quick. I'm going to throw some music on for y'all. I hope this motivates y'all and gets y'all ready for the day.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
So I don't know if y'all saw how much dust was on everything, and I believe that's coming from the new sheets that I just got. Maybe they just need to be washed more. I don't know what's happening, but I was even getting congested, and I was like, what is happening? But I looked on the furniture, and I was like, oh my goodness, and then it was on my clothes. So I've been washing the sheets a little more than usual these days, but, you know, just trying to do what I can, because I really like the sheets. They're super comfortable. They feel great to sleep in, but I don't know about all that. So anyway, I needed to clean everything off. So now we're just about done in here, and then we're gonna go do some other stuff.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite.
So we are just about done with the cleaning in the kitchen, and then I'm going to go ahead and make my coffee. I'm also going to be baking some brownies today, just doing a few things around here. So anyway, I hope y'all are enjoying this so far. I'm just using my e-cloth to clean the counters and all that good stuff. And then I had y'all ask some questions about this. This is just a press, a coffee press, and I just put my beans in here, ground them up, and let my water brew it for a while, and it's delicious.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. Oh,
So we are just about done with the brownies. I don't know if anybody else makes brownies, but I do every now and then for the kids. I don't make them homemade. I have been thinking about learning how to do that, and I've also just bought the stuff to make some homemade bread. But I'll be sharing that here. But I'm also going to start just a straight up cooking channel. So whatever I cook is going to be totally dedicated on that channel. And the same with my furniture remaking. I'll show little bits and pieces over here, but I'm going to have channels just for that. So that way, if y'all ever want to see a recipe again and y'all don't want to watch a whole video, or y'all don't know exactly where it is, y'all can go to that channel specifically and get everything really easily there.
huh, boy? Say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad.
So the brownies are done. I'm going to go ahead and make my cup of coffee real quick, and I decided to make it hot today. I'm also going to just put a little whipped cream and chocolate on top because I love that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope it got you motivated. I will be posting more this week. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Go check out Dossier. I'll have them linked below along with the discount. And yeah, I hope y'all are doing great. I hope everybody's taking care of each other. I love you all. Bye, guys.
I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met you.